knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, you subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone. I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I want to talk to everybody, but specifically the men. The name or title of this video is It's Over If We Don't Start Now. It must start with the men. We are the only human beings that can create the change. We must educate and communicate to stop the downward spiral that the world is moving towards. There are too many uneducated, misinformed young men around the world that can be exploited. They can be misled to create distrust and chaos to damage the normal daily living of people. There are two items that I have created to start this process of change. The first one is my book, Molding a Man. The second is the seminar package, Male Support Day Seminars, which there are 3 of. And in this video, I want to talk about it. Here we go. So right now I want to show you a gift box that I'm putting out for wives and kids to buy for their father. This is the Molding Man gift box. And what it has inside is a shirt that says Molding a Man and a book that I have written. So you can go to my website, www.moldingaman.com, and order this for the man in your life, the father, the husband, and I think they'll like this. So it's a nice little gift box for them. Go on my website and order it. Thank you. The book I wrote, Molding a Man, is one idea that can start the process of changing the mindset of young men. We need to develop programs that will provide young men with the knowledge and skills to navigate through this world, allowing them to make good decisions that can have a great impact on their future life. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. This one here is my 3 seminar package. There's 3 seminars in here within the box that the men within the family can start to build a legacy of all the males in the family and teach them and show them all the different aspects of what they should be or do as a man. And it comes with 3 different packages inside so that they'll be able to read through it, have the young men follow along with the handouts that they have in each segment in all 3, and you can kind of guide how the young men should grow up and what they should be and what they should know. So these seminars are made for that purpose, for you to build the male legacy within your family. And I believe that it'll do that for you. So on my website, you can grab one of these, www.moldingaman.com, and start your legacy with the males within your family. The 3 seminars that I have created can build upon the process that my book, Molding a Man, has started. The process of the seminars develops the bond between all the men within the family. This will provide a tangible resource that all the young men can utilize at any time. We all need someone to talk to when we have questions. The seminars will create that access that the young men need. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. The mission I'm undertaking is to change the heartless culture that this world is covered in. This world is so advanced that everyone should be living a good life. All that it would take is for every civilized country to teach all the young men the skills to make a living. The pride a man gets from providing a livelihood to his family, priceless. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
What they bout to hear? Molding a man is nothing to play with. Molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.